There's only one way to the perfect tight house. Zip System.
Well, how Zip System is different than installing OSB and house wrap is that it's actually a 3-in-1 panel. So you're getting a wood structural panel, a water resistive barrier, and also an air barrier. Because of the water resistive barrier is actually fused to the OSB panel, there's no way for water to get behind there and actually damage your wood structural sheathing and cause any moisture problems in the wall.
Before we used the Zip System, we went ahead and did a traditional OSB product with any number of different house wraps. There are some install issues and stuff like that, whereas with the Zip System we feel like because of the ease of installation and everything, we're getting a higher rate of success perfectly every time with a backed up warranty.
Well, installing Zip System, you basically install the wood structural panel just like you would any other traditional OSB. The only difference there is you tape the seams and you're done. The house wrap and OSB systems actually require about 4 to 5 more steps than the Zip System panels.
When we're installing Zip System, we're kind of looking at it as a two-step process. One, we're putting on our OSB, our traditional OSB product, but it's Zip System, so that step is the same. And then the only other step we have to do is tape up all the joints. Well, when we're doing the house wrap system, we first have to stand up, do our OSB walls, but then we have to wait, get an inspection, come back, wrap the whole house, and then come back and tape the whole house.
The Zip System helps save time for builders due to the fact that it is a tighter system. It is a all-in-one panel, so it cuts down on the actual labor cost. And then it's not a separate product, so you don't have to come back and install the house wrap later.
The Zip System is a lot quicker to install for really 2 reasons. One, it's how we stand walls up. We can go ahead and do almost the entire application right up front. And then we don't have to stand up 4 or 5 guys and ladders to go ahead and then wrap the house in house wrap. We don't have to do that.
With Zip System, you get more energy efficient home compared to traditional OSB and house wrap because you get a tighter house.
When using the Zip System, we as builders have 2 performance criteria that I can see immediately. One, it helps me out with my blower door test to get a lower HERS rating. And also with I don't have any callbacks with the house wrap blowing off the house or anything like that, or having to retape it. The common problems that we have with house wrap around windows is because of its difficulty in installation between caulking and cutting the wrap and things like that, and the taping of that wrap. We just can't have a high failure rate, and it's not anything we can see until the problems already exist.
With the Zip System, all you have to do is actually do a sill flashing or pan flashing, and then you install your window just like according to the manufacturer's recommendations, and then you tape the jambs and then tape the head and you're done.
What we're looking for is a product that is readily available. It's always in inventory, comes to us in a competitive pricing, great warranty, and most of all, it's going to benefit my customer and it's going to benefit us. So it kind of fit all those criteria for us. We use the Zip System roof system for a couple different reasons. Our favorite is that it's done. We put it up, we tape it, we don't touch it again. With the traditional felt pattern that we used to use, we've had it for 100 years and it works very, very well. We just didn't have an alternative till recently. And the Zip System has allowed us to go ahead and do that, where we can sheath it, put the tape down, and it's done all at once.
The Zip System tape actually helps you get the panels up and installed tighter and quicker. It actually helps you zip up the house. And with the tape, you actually get a very strong tape because we use an acrylic-based tape. Unlike most of the asphalt-based, the acrylic-based tape actually, the molecules like each other chemically better and they get a stronger bond. And with the Zip tape, it's actually a lot more durable than a lot of these asphalts and butyl-based tapes that are out there on the market. And also with the tape, you're actually backed by that 30-year warranty as well.
The traditional tar paper system that we use offers a couple challenges on the job site for us. Because of its pliability, you can step on it in the valleys and the corners and things like that, and we can actually tear that. And once that barrier is breached, it's kind of non-performing product at that point. Whereas with the Zip, it's on, it's taped, it's guaranteed, it's done.